Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us Happy New Year's hat, basically. It's going to be an Among Us crewmate with a hat. New Year's celebration, let's roll, okay? It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. So if you're a beginner, stay all the way to the very end. It's super easy. I'm going to walk you through it. Really easy stuff. I'm also going to do something to the drawing that's going to bring it all together at the very end. So stick around, it's only 8 minutes, and let's do it. Before I do that, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw. That stuff's really helpful for the algorithm and just kind of good for you in general to learn to draw. Curve here for the top of the crewmate's visor. Curve over here for the side of the crewmate's visor. We're going to go over here and do the exact same thing, this curve along here. Go underneath, slight curve upward, go here for the forehead, line over here, pull down, hat, upward, and line upward connecting there to that hat. Going over here to the back of the head, curve here. I'll pull straight line down. Curve underneath. Curve underneath on this side. Pulling up, got those teddy bear feet. Inward. And we're gonna connect the foot up as well here. Awesome. Go over here, we're gonna draw a line across the edge of this. So halfway between the top and the bottom of the visor, lean back here and then do that line right there to be the top of the backpack. Go over here on this side, about his lower waist, line over here, up, across, right there. So you have that backpack there. Oops, we're gonna draw a sash across him, so it's really just kind of like a curved line across his body right here. Go. And then another one as well, just up a bit. We're gonna draw the year on it, so we're rolling into 2022. And we're gonna draw a curved line here for the hat, and we're gonna have a little bit of a explosion-y shape for the top of the head there. Let's draw some confetti coming down here. See, like that square, maybe like a circle, maybe like a circle over here, square, square here, circle, like a bent square here, and just draw as many as you want. It doesn't have to be a bunch. It could be just like a few. Yeah, that's enough. Maybe one over here. Again. Cool, cool. We're going to add a little bit of color to this. Nothing too wild. I'm going to leave him white. But as far as his sash goes, I want to make that yellow. I'm going to grab a Prismacolor marker. If you don't use those already, use it. Prismacolors are... Prismacolor and this one, Copic, are the best markers. So definitely use those if you can. Across the yellow there. I'm gonna do a couple of these. Yellow, nothing. Well, definitely the top right here. Yellow. And this is a dark yellow, by the way. It's kind of like an orangey yellow. You can use any kind of yellow you want. A few around there. I'm gonna grab like a green, and then what can I do with a green? Probably put it across the maybe the middle here of the hat, the green, and also do a couple of these streamers. And then at the bottom here, for this, it's going to be the reflection off the, off the actual the visor of the crewmate, and you can actually draw a shadow here. So underneath here, I'm going to curve a line, fill that in, and I'm using a light blue right here as well. So bottom here, we just fill that whole area in. It has to be a light blue though. All right. Whew, they smell bad. That's the only problem with these markers. They smell kind of terrible, so you have to be kind of aware of it. And let's go over here. We're gonna draw like a, let's say a purple. I'll take a purple. Whoops, it easy. I'll move the paper. Purple, and I'm gonna go over here. I want to wish you a happy new year. It's been an awesome year for the channel. A lot of growth, and there's a ton going on. I have so much planned. I wanted to, like, maybe every couple of days put like a new upgrade on the channel, and that's pretty hard to do, and it's kind of been almost impossible, to be honest, as far as like upgrading the video. But let me know if you have any ideas for the new year. I will make them happen. I want to thank you very much for everything, and if you guys I do appreciate the channel, and I hope you do, hit the share button if you do want to give back. It's better than donating. When you share, it's just such a giant thing that could happen to the channel. But yeah, it's been a wild year. Do you have any New Year's goals? Let me know what they are. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. Thank you for everything. Yeah, it's been great. It's kind of touching, actually. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Yeah, it's been a struggle through the year. But drawing 3 videos a day is pretty hard. But I do like it, and I like the responses, and I want to keep going with it. So thank you, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Say hi to me if you hear this. If you're actually here at this point of the video, say hi in the comments, and I'll know that you heard this. That is all, and see you later, okay? Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.